Good afternoon, fourth graders. This is the English lesson for something caught my throat. Wednesday, 8 May, that would be 6th, and Thursday, May 7th. This is on section 6.2 called Subject Pronouns, and is on page 206 and 207 in your hardback books. All right, so this is a piggyback from the last lesson. We all know a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. For example, John is replaced with he. Rebecca is replaced with she. John and Rebecca is replaced with they. All right, so we're going to piggyback off today. But however, today we're only going to talk about the subject pronoun. As we all know, in a sentence, there could be several nouns in a sentence. For example, I have up on the board here, Aki did a project on insects. All right, there are two nouns in this sentence. However, what we're going to focus on is just the main subject. What is the sentence about? And usually it's the first noun in the sentence. Aki did a project on insects. Who is the sentence about? It is Aki. What did she do? She did a project on insects. Okay. So like a noun, pronouns can be used as a subject of a sentence. All right, so basically it can go at the beginning as well. So again, our singular pronouns are I, you, she, he, and it. And the pronoun, plural pronouns are we, you, and they. All right, so let's go back to what we said before. This sentence we have here. Aki did a project on insects. Okay, so our nouns are Aki and insects. But the subject of the sentence is Aki. It's about Aki. So we're only focusing on that. So we're going to change Aki, but not insects. So Aki will change to, since it's a girl, will change to she. She did a project on insects. All right. Basically, when you're talking about something, if we would change insects to, you can change insects in support of them. She did a project on them. The problem is, what was them? We don't know what it is. At least we know she is Aki. At least we know they're doing a project on insects. So this is why basically a lot of the times you're only going to replace the noun subject, the very noun at the beginning of the sentence, replace that with a pronoun, she, they, it, they, were, us, them. All right, so tonight and tomorrow I want you to focus on page 206 and 207. There are 12 examples. So for today, work on 1 to 6. Tomorrow, work on 7 to 12. And then for your homework, you're going to be on page 96 of your Workbook Plus. It focuses on changing. You have to identify the subject, nouns in the sentences. There's 8 of them, and then you will replace it with the proper pronoun. You're going to do the same thing at the beginning. For 9 through 12, they're going to underline a noun, and you're going to figure out a word to replace it with. For example, we'll go over number 9 together. It says, musicians must learn to play the right notes. All right, musicians is the underlined noun. Since musicians is plural, there's many, you use the plural one. So we, you, they. So we would replace musicians with they. So musicians must learn to play the right notes, be replaced with they must learn to play the right notes. So that's your freebie number 9 on Workbook Plus, page 96. If you have any questions, please email or contact me, and let me know if you have any problems. Until then, God bless.